Welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be talking about tires, mainly the Teton, and how we can get it to get some cool scale looking rims and tires like we just put on the TRX 4M. These are pretty cool tires, you know, for bashing and stuff, but they just don't look scale at all. GPM wheel hex for the Teton Rally, and that's an 8mm. We grinded it down. Now that guy will fit the 7mm wheel. We figured it out. Let's get over to the other workbench and I can show you what we do. I just grind it down, go to the opposite side, give her some loving, and then basically once it starts looking right, I just take it, try it on a wheel, and make sure it's got a pretty even gap. It doesn't have to be exactly perfect. Pretty perfect if you ask me. Well, let's slap these on the rig.